A blinking blue light on your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6E router, like the Rack 2 V1S model, typically means it's trying to connect to the internet. This can happen during initial setup when using WPS to connect a device, or if your internet connection drops. It indicates the router is in pairing mode, broadcasting signals, or attempting a self-healing reboot. While often temporary, persistent blinking suggests a problem. Possible causes include firmware glitches, hardware issues, or signal interference, especially with Spectrum's expanding fiber network. A steady blue light indicates a stable connection. Don't panic, but be prepared to troubleshoot. First, power cycle your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Check all cable connections to ensure they're secure. If the blinking continues, access your router's settings through a web browser at 192.168.1.1 or the Spectrum app to run diagnostics and update the firmware. Ensure your modem is online as well. If problems persist, try resetting the router to factory settings using the reset button. As a last resort, contact Spectrum support for assistance or a router replacement. Keeping your firmware updated and optimizing your router's channel settings can prevent future occurrences.